Hi there, students. Verity. Verity is a noun. It can be both countable and uncountable. As an uncountable noun, it's the quality of being true, the veracity of something. So the judge wanted to confirm the verity of the testimony that the witness had given, the truth of it. So verity, the quality of being true. However, more commonly, I think I would use verity as accountable to talk about a belief or an idea that is generally accepted as true, a universal truth, a universal verity. The philosopher spent his life searching for the universal verities of the universe. So what are the verities of human existence? Well, as they say, death and taxes. Okay, so verity, the truth or the universal truth. So the truth, a true principle, a true belief, especially one that is core or fundamental. The eternal verities of the universe is something that is objectively true, objective verity. I'm not sure the truth can be objective. I think the truth is nearly always subjective. Something that's irrefutable, something that you can't say is wrong. Okay, so things that are believed to be true, the verities of human nature. So a true principle or a true idea that you base maybe your research or your beliefs or your religion on. I think I would use this word verity, particularly talking about philosophy or religion. But you can also use it to say that something conforms to the truth. It's a fact. It's the reality. So I think many of us have great difficulties seeing the verity of our lives. Okay, what's truly happening? We tend to lie to ourselves. Okay, so a verity, a statement or a principle that's true, an enduring truth, something that lasts. The undeniable verities of life, the naked truth, the facts. But also verity, the accuracy, the veraciousness or the veracity, the correctness of something. I want to check the verity of the bill. Well, it's a bit too formal for that. So let's see. Verity, truth, fact, reality, but especially enduring ones for religions or ethics. A true statement, an established doctrine. So verity, formality. I think I'd probably give this a 7.5 in formality. I might even go up to an 8. I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. The truth, or a universal truth, more informally. And then, okay, it comes to us from French, la vérité, the truth, which itself comes from Latin, veritas, from verus, meaning true. Okay, so if you want to check the verity of my explanation, then you could look this word up in a dictionary. The dictionary will instantiate the verity of what I've been saying to you. Okay, so verity, a universal truth, something that is true. So I guess the only universal verity for people is that one day we're going to die. That's a bit depressing. No, but maybe, is it a verity that people are instinctually good? Think about the verities. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Verity.